How to free up space on Google Drive. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Google Drive application. Now the next thing I'll be doing is to click on the three horizontal lines at the top left hand corner of my screen. And then guys, you're going to be tapping on storage. Because we are trying to free up space, we're going to scroll over to where you see clean up space. Here are suggestions on some items you can clean up, and then for today we're going to be going with the large files. Now I'm going to click on review, and guys, as you can see, here are my large files. Now to simply delete these, all I need to do is just to tap on one, and then you can click on the delete icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. Item delete, I understand. Permanently delete. And this is how you can free up space on your Google Drive. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.